In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Badlion Client step by step, so just follow along. Now, the first thing you want to do is open any web browser on your computer, and once it opens, go to the search bar and type Badlion, and then open the official website, which is badlion.net. Now, once the website loads, just scroll down a little bit and click on Download Client. Now, at this point, it's important to know that Badlion Client has merged with Lunar Client, so what you'll actually be downloading is the Lunar Client launcher. Now, once the download finishes, go ahead and open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Now, inside your downloads, find the Lunar Client installer and just double-click on it to start the installation. Now, wait for the installation to complete, and once it's finished, the launcher should open automatically, and if it doesn't, just open it manually. Now, when the launcher opens, the next thing you want to do is sign in with your Microsoft Minecraft account. Now, after logging in, look on the left-hand menu and select Badlion. Now, you'll see a list of different Minecraft versions, so just choose the version you want to play. Now, after selecting the version, go to the bottom right corner and click on Launch Game. Now, if this is your first time launching Badlion Client, it will automatically download and install all the required files, so just wait for that to finish. Now, once everything is done, Minecraft will launch and you'll be ready to play using Badlion Client. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.